Use makeup remover to eliminate dirt, oil, and residual makeup. Wash the face with a facial cleanser. Apply a thin layer of gel to the target area. Then shade the hair with a razor. Clear away the shaved hair. Apply the gel evenly at a coin-thick layer. Cover the recipient's eyes with washcloths, then place the black goggles on. Select 808-755 1064 nm diode laser on the screen. Tap the facial icon on the screen. Select the treatment area and skin tone. Then tap SHR stack. Fluence 45J/CM superscript 2, stack 25. Cooling level, 4. The operator must wear goggles as well. Perform the operation on the lips in a stamping manner. Wipe the treatment area. Remove the goggles and apply a mask. Apply a facial mask. Remove the mask and cleanse the face. Apply toner, serum, and cream.